All right, let's pull back the curtain on something that's absolutely essential to every successful business, but you know what? It often goes completely unnoticed. We're talking about facility maintenance.
I mean, really think about it for a second. When you walk into a nice office or a store or even a clinic, what is it that gives you that immediate feeling that things are, well, under control? It's got to be more than just the product on the shelf or the people at the front desk, right? Here's the best way to think about it. Facility maintenance is like this powerful, invisible engine that's always humming in the background. It keeps the whole operation running, making sure everything from the air you're breathing to the floors you're walking on is just perfect.
But keeping that engine purring is a constant uphill battle against a whole host of challenges. So let's actually break down what businesses are really up against.
And look, these are not just little annoyances. A surprise repair can completely blow up a budget. A safety issue? That could be totally disastrous. And operational downtime? Well, that's just money literally walking right out the door. It's a really high-stakes game of prevention and smart management.
So, with the stakes being that high, what does a real solution even look like? Well, it's not just one thing. It's a whole spectrum of services that are all designed to tackle these challenges head-on.
Okay, so let's start with the absolute foundation, janitorial services. But we are not just talking about a quick sweep and a mop here. The magic word is customized. This means the cleaning methods are actually adapted to what a specific facility actually needs.
And it's this tailored approach that creates that spotless environment. It's the kind of thing that can totally change how a customer sees you, and it can even boost employee morale. It's all about creating a space that feels clean and welcoming from the second somebody walks through the door.
Building right on top of that, let's talk about the ground beneath our feet. Expert floor care is, believe it or not, a science all its own. It's about so much more than just cleaning. It's really about protecting one of the building's biggest assets.
You see, proper care doesn't just keep the floors looking great, it makes them last way, way longer. And that saves a ton of money on replacements down the road. It's just another one of those details that quietly screams quality and care.
Of course, these days, maintenance is about more than just the basics. Businesses today are also, and rightly so, really focused on their environmental footprint and the health of their people.
And that's exactly where green cleaning comes into the picture. It's a real commitment to using eco-friendly products and methods. And this isn't just about protecting the planet. It's about creating a much healthier indoor environment for every single person inside that building.
And let's be super clear about this. Going green does not mean you're sacrificing quality. Not at all. The goal's always, always top-notch cleanliness. It's really the best of both worlds. You get a pristine facility and a smaller environmental footprint.
And speaking of impact, you've got the whole issue of waste. Having a structured, efficient waste management program takes another huge headache off the business's plate, making sure everything's handled cleanly and responsibly.
So, we've talked a lot about routine, about prevention. But what about the stuff you just can't prevent? Let's talk about what it means to be ready for any emergency.
A great, comprehensive plan handles all the day-to-day stuff, right? It keeps things running like a well-oiled machine. This is the dream state. Everything is controlled, predictable. It's exactly what every facility manager hopes for. But, well, reality has other plans sometimes. A pipe bursts, a major system fails, an accident happens. What do you do when a crisis hits that threatens to bring your entire operation to a screeching halt?
The answer has to be constant readiness, around the clock.
Because when the unexpected happens, speed is literally everything. The whole goal of an emergency service is to get on site, fix the problem, and get safety and functionality back online as fast as humanly possible, all to minimize that costly downtime we talked about earlier. Okay, so all of this sounds great in theory, doesn't it? The services, the emergency response, but does it actually work in the real world? Let's take a look at the verdict from the people who count on it every single day.
So listen to this first one. Words like exceeded our expectations and transformed our workspace. I mean, that tells you this isn't just about meeting a basic standard. It's about fundamentally making the environment better.
And here we go again, this time with a big focus on professionalism and reliability. In the world of facility maintenance, those two words are just everything. It all comes down to trusting that the job is going to be done right, every single time. No excuses.
And finally, this one really brings it all home. It mentions a personalized approach, which ties right back to that idea of customized solutions we started with. It's proof that the best service is never one size fits all. It's tailored to make a real, tangible difference.
You know, the systems that keep our world clean, safe, and working are often designed to be totally invisible. But now that you know what to look for, maybe, just maybe, you'll start to see that hidden engine at work and appreciate the incredible effort that goes into keeping it running so smoothly.